Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Megabonk game not launching or won't launch issue on PC. So without wasting your time, here follow the solutions. The first fix is to modify the game launch option. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Megabonk game and select properties. Now in the launch option type -dx11, then close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties and this time type -dx12 in the launch options and then close this tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then remove the command and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Solution is to delete Megabonk config file. Please take a note, you will lose the saved settings, hence keep the backup of the config file to the desktop first. So go to C drive, users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. If you don't see app data folder, then click on this view. Then in the dropdown you will see show, then check mark hidden items. Then open app data folder, then open local folder, then open Ved folder, then open Megabonk folder, saves folder, local directory folder. Then right click on config.json file, copy it and paste it to desktop first. Then right click on it and then select delete to delete it. Now you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 3 is to verify the game file. So open Steam and go to library, right click on Megabonk and select properties, go to install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. After the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check. Solution 4 is to run Megabonk as an admin. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Megabonk and select manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. The path is C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Megabonk folder. Right click on Megabonk exe file and select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab, then tick mark run this program as an administrator, then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you have to modify the compatibility settings. So again go to the compatibility tab, tick mark run this program in compatibility mode 4. From the dropdown select Windows 8, then hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the compatibility tab. Here from the dropdown select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to compatibility tab, check mark disable full screen optimization option as well. Then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then untick all these 3 boxes, then hit apply, OK, and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Solution 6 is to update graphic card driver. So simply update your graphic card driver to the latest version and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you are having AMD graphic card driver, go to the AMD website. If you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to the NVIDIA website. If you are having Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. Links are given in video description. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you are on the NVIDIA website, select your version of graphic card driver version from here. Then select Windows operating system, then click on find. Now you have to download the latest version. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install that. You have to download and install GeForce Game Ready driver. The current version is 581.42. So click on view, click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen, click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option, then click on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box. This is important, and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Solution 7 is to allow Megabonk through firewall and antivirus program. So search for Windows Security in Windows Search and open it. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Ransomware Protection. Click on Allow an app through Control Folder Access. Click Yes to allow. Then click on Add an allowed app. Then click on Browse all app. Now browse to the game installation folder. Go to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common folder. Open Megabonk game folder. Then select Megabonk exe file and then click on open to add it. Now go back. Click on firewall and network protection. Then click on allow an app through firewall. Then click on change settings. Then click on allow another app. Then click on browse and browse to the game installation folder. Go to C drive, program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, open Megabonk game folder, select Megabonk exe file and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then allow the Megabonk game exe file to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program for a while, then launch the game and check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Solution 8 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. So in Windows search type graphics settings and open it. Click on add desktop app. Now go to the game installation folder. Browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Megabonk game folder. Select Megabonk exe file and then click on add. After adding it, expand it. Click on drop down next to GPU preference and select high performance, and then you can relaunch the game and check. Solution 9 is to close conflicting or unnecessary program. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick or controllers, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Solution 10 is to disable overlays. So to disable Steam overlay, go to your Steam library, right click on Megabonk, select properties and then toggle off enable the Steam overlay while in game. Disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner. Click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can launch the game and check. Solution 11 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is given in video description, and once you are on the Microsoft website, scroll down. Now download both x86 and x64 version. And once this exe file get downloaded, you have to install both of them. So first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair. If you see install option, then click on install and install it. Now click on x86 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair. If you see install button, then click on install and install it. And after installing both the x86 and x64 Visual C++ files, restart your PC once and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 12 is to update Windows. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update. Then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. Then restart your PC once and then you can relaunch the game and check. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall Megabonk game. So if nothing seems to work, then the last option is to uninstall Megabonk game from your PC, restart your PC and then reinstall the game. You can install the game on SSD drive or external SSD drive and then launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you were able to easily fix Megabonk not launching or won't launch issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.